Okay, so hello sir, my name is Deeptisha and currently I am a student and doing a hotel management course,
Mhm.
and basically I am from Faridabad side,
Okay.
and it's my last year of doing a hotel management course. After this I am I will be busy joining the I will be busy in joining my job. So after this I think, yeah, I will be a little more busy and I will not get any chance. And thank you so much for having me in this session. Also, I'm very grateful for your you gave me this chance to join the podcast. It's like my first time to having a podcast with someone. So thank you so much.
So, may I am also like thankful that you are going to give your time for this virtual podcast, and thanks for accepting my invitation to be here as a virtual guest speaker. So, the first thing which I want to ask you, Ms. Deepti, am I pronouncing correct your name, Deepti, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing which I want to ask you, Ms. Deepti, what do you think if we are going to teach music to young kids, especially the kids who are in 5 years, 6 years, 7 years of age? So what do you think अगर हम उन्हें म्यूजिक भी एजुकेशन के साथ में स्टार्ट कराते हैं सो उनकी स्टडीज में या ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑन दिस
I think if we try to put a music between the education and early music education between the ages that you have mentioned me, it enhances our brain development, memory, and emotional suppression and discipline as well. It lays a strong foundation for creativity and critical as well thinking. Music becoming a kind of lifelong skill and often helps children to perform better academically and socially as well. If someone asks them in the future that what kind of skills do you have, even I have also faced many things in the college, whenever we met our friends for the first time also, let's take an example for a first time. Even if our teachers also ask what skills do you have, can you show us? So yeah, music, we can say that yes, I'm very good in music, I can sing well, and I can also play instrument very well also. Yeah, so I think music is very beneficial for early ages children.
Okay. So when you were in your student life, like 5, 6, 7, 8, so were you involved with music in your school choir or something?
Yeah, definitely. I was involved in school, many functions. I used to participate in school functions, for if it's a group singing competition or it's like a individual also. I used to participate a lot. But now in college, it's not like that, because in the college there is no kind of many competition they used to schedule for us. So I think I used to only participate in school more as compared to my college times.
Okay. So like as just now you told that you were involved in singing. I can say vocals, right? So when parents want to enroll their kid so that they can their kid start their musical journey, they have three choices. They can start from the instrument, they can start from the vocals, or they can start from vocals or instrument both. So as per what are your suggestions, which is best to start for the young kids? Instrument, vocals, or instrument plus vocals both?
I think it depends on children's also, because in the early ages they have not a lot of experience from where they should start. They should start from singing or taking an experience to how to how to play an kind of instrument, like for example piano, guitar as well. So I think it's based on it also depend on the children also, how they want to, because we can't force them for
Right.
you should go for playing an instrument only, after that we will teach you music lessons. So I think yes, it depends on children also, we can't force them for like just go with the flow like we are telling. No, don't force them, because it also, as I already mentioned you, it also make it also comes in the skill development. So yes, definitely it's depend on them, don't force them for this thing.
Okay. So, like you were in a school, you are in college also right now. So generally in school, college, we you can see we have primary we have keyboard, we have guitars, we have drums, and somewhere you can see violin or something else. So, what do you think? Which instrument is good to start for the young kids who want to start from the instrument section?
uh, I think each of the things like they have their own benefits, but combining both it gives a best of both worlds.
Mhm.
Like vocals help with your breathing and emotional expressions,
Right,
while instrument it develop your expressions and also fine motor skills as well.
right.
So, however, the choice should be depend on the child interest and comforts.
Okay, great. So, when you were in your school life, or now you are in college life, have you ever tried to learn any instrument?
Uh, if I say like yeah, I was trying to how to play harmonium.
Uh,
So yes, it was like a good experience for me. I used to play with harmonium and learn like what are the like what kind of पैटर्न्स एंड लाइक कौन से हमें लाइक वो बटन्स वगैरह दबाने चाहिए जिससे एक परफेक्ट रिदम बने
okay.
जिससे कि हमें भी डांट ना पड़े एंड ऑल्सो इट ऑल्सो बिल्ड आवर डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स ऑल्सो
Okay.
so yes I used to play harmonium
Hmm.
instead of this nothing else. Yeah, but yes I have also interested in to play guitar as well, but I didn't got the chance to play with a guitar or also used to learn like how to play or like how to play with the guitar also.
ओके, चलो दैट्स गुड. सो जैसे अभी आपने मेंशन कर रहे थे आप हारमोनियम के बारे में, सो दीज आर नोन एज कीज, के ई वाई एस, कीज, राइट? दीज आर नॉट बटन्स. ओके, आई एम जस्ट करेक्टिंग यू, सो आपकी नॉलेज थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आ जाए वहाँ पे. सो हारमोनियम पे भी जो यहाँ पे आप जिसे बजाते हैं अपने हाथ से, दोज रीड्स आर नोन एज कीज, के ई वाई एस, राइट? दोज आर नॉट नोन एज बटन्स. Okay, so next is like if you are getting chance to learn any instrument now, so which instrument you are going to pick and why?
I think मेरे लिए अगर कुछ होगा तो I will choose guitar.
Okay.
Because whenever I see like any singer or like if any person is playing a guitar, even if they're playing in the like we see na like kind of views in the like someone is playing guitar in their streets
Yes, yes, yes.
and peoples are enjoying like from I think from the guitar's point of view it describe our emotions like how we are
Right.
feeling even if we also have seen any kind of movies
Mhm.
it also depends like how the person is playing like कोई अगर तेजी से बजा रहा है कोई अगर धीरे से बजा रहा है तो ये
Mhm.
उनके इमोशंस को दिखाता है कि वो कैसा फील कर रहे हैं
Correct,
so
correct.
I think yes I will choose guitar for me.
Okay, so like in your life, whenever like you are studying, या आपकी personal life या किसी भी XYZ reason से if you are in stress, so do you take help of music to calm down yourself?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. If I am feeling like I'm very feeling low, even when I used to doing any kind of projects in my college time, like
हाँ.
still also, I feel very low. Like मेरे को अब नहीं करना मेरे से अब नहीं हो रहा है
Mhm.
एंड सपोज इफ देयर इज अ डेडलाइन टुमारो सो मैं क्या करती हूँ कि ना म्यूजिक चला देती हूँ चाहे वो कैसा भी हो बट मोस्टली आई प्रेफर लाइक सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक एंड समटाइम्स ऑल्सो लाइक पार्टी टाइप जो मेरी एनर्जी को ना इंक्रीज कर सके जिससे ना मैं अच्छे से काम कर सकूँ एंड इफ आई एम लाइक समटाइम्स मैं गुस्सा हूँ बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हूँ
Mhm.
एंड मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता ना मैं गाने ही सुनती हूँ हमेशा आई प्रेफर म्यूजिक
Okay.
एवरी टाइम आई प्रेफर म्यूजिक मेरे
Mhm.
को ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी पे चिल्लाना है मुझे बहुत तेजी से
हाँ.
बस I want to listen music only. So
Okay.
I think yes, music is kind of therapy for me. It's not like only limited to art. It's kind of therapy also for many reasons. If I take an example, I have also did some kind of trainings in my hotels as well.
Mhm.
So I have seen like music play a very important role in the restaurant as well. It
Yes.
doesn't mean like it's only prefer like it's only limited to our personal life. It's also like uh, play an important role in restaurants in public areas if it's a pub bar
Mhm.
or like weddings or any kind of ceremony, music play an important role because like अगर शांति होगी तो कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा,
Right.
बट अगर बैकग्राउंड में कुछ बज रहा है ना तो हाँ वी फील दैट वाइब कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है.
Right.
अगर वहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं तो हम कुछ फील नहीं कर सकते. लाइक अगर हम देखें ना, अगर मान लो आप कि कोई हम बार में गए हैं, ठीक है, वहां पे हमें लग ही नहीं रहा है यार यहाँ तो कोई वाइब ही नहीं आ रही, बट
Correct.
अगर मान लो वहीं पे अगर कोई सिंगर आ जाता है, वो ना उस वाइब को ना ऐसा आपको फील करा देता है अंदर से, वो ना लाइक सामने वाला बंदा ना अपने आप नाचना चालू कर देगा. दे
Correct.
विल एंजॉय दैट वाइब.
Correct.
वो कहेंगे हाँ अब मजा आ रहा है. सो यस आई थिंक म्यूजिक इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ, not only limited to our personal life but also other places as well.
Okay, so जैसे अभी आपने mention किया like whenever in crowd places anybody is singing, anybody is playing guitar and singing, so वो पूरा एक aura change हो जाता है. So on the same thing I
Yeah.
would like to ask you, Miss Deepti, like who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh,
Okay.
then Shreya Ghoshal, and I also like K-pop singers as well. So if I mention the singers, like there is a one member from Blackpink group. Her name is Lisa. She is also a very talented singer. So these three are my favorite ones.
That's good. So, like, mostly what type of music you listen? Like, which is your favorite genre of music? I can ask you. Like, is it rock, pop, slow, romantic, jazz, or what?
Basically it depends on my mood, like what kind of music I want to listen. I already mentioned that whenever I am angry, I want to listen like slow music, which like which can helps me to decrease my anger level. So yes, for me in angry, whenever I'm angry, I prefer slow music, and whenever I want to increase my energy, I prefer like kind of say, you can say, party type of songs.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
do you think when we involve music during our work, it increases
Yeah.
our productivity also?
Yes, definitely it increase our productivity. As in today's life, even in the Zumba classes, people use music so that like their members feel kind of feel energetic, so they can perform well. And also in the other places, like if there is any kind of ceremony or any other things, so yeah, music play a very important role in our life.
Okay. So, like, there are people who are working professional. Like, after you are going to complete your degree, MBA degree, I think, hotel management degree, right? So, you
Yeah.
are also going to be involved in your working life, working professional life. Like, you will be involved maybe 10 to 5, 10 to 6, or whatever the timings will be. So, how do you
Yeah.
think these working professionals can involve themselves in music so that they also can maintain work life balance? Because you also know that in today's life, work life balance is like 24 into 7, you are hired.
Yeah, definitely. I
So how do you
think
think that music is going to help in maintaining work life balance?
uh, if I say music act as a creative outlet for us, and also stress buster, and it helps working professional, it disconnect them from the pressure of work culture and deadlines they have, and connect with themselves. Many find music a kind of a meditative activity that help their improve focus and emotional balance. And for adults, basically workers are mostly the workers who are doing a 9 to 5 job, they are mostly adults. For adults, learning a music can be a great tool for their mental fitness as well. It also improve their memory, reduce their anxiety, and even delays their cognitive aging. It also help provide a sense of achievements, boost their confidence, and offers a meaningful break from the routine. So I think yes, music can play a important role during their work time. Maybe it's from 9 to 5 or any other schedule. So yeah, music create a lot of impact in adults life,
Okay.
whether they are in student professional, or they are doing any kind of jobs, or maybe any other profession they are performing. So yeah, music play a very important role for them.
Okay, so now the thing is, if somebody is going to take out music from your life, then how you are going to see your life?
I It's impossible for me. If someone remove music from my life, I will feel very depressed. I will feel anxiety and stress also.
Uh,
Like ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं जाता, लाइक ऐसा कोई हफ्ता नहीं है मेरे लिए जब मैं गाने ना सुनूं. मुझे गाने सुनने ही होते हैं. इफ आई एम ट्रेवलिंग, और like if I'm traveling with my friends, or like I'm doing any kind of work, like I already mentioned, whenever I'm doing my assignments, music is very important for me. Even मैंने अपने भाई को देखते हुए ये सारी चीजें अपनाई है, क्योंकि बिकॉज ही हैज आल्सो लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर फॉर हिज वर्क, सो ही आल्सो used to play music in his background in the laptop, so I also do the same thing.
that's good.
Because जो हम किसी को देखते हैं तो लगता है कि हमें भी एक बार ट्राई कर लेना चाहिए. लेकिन हाँ, जब से मैंने ये ट्राई किया है तो आई थिंक म्यूजिक ने तो मेरी लाइफ बदल दिया. अगर ये चला गया ना तो आई विल लाइक नथिंग. मेरे लिए सब इम्पोर्टेंट है. म्यूजिक तो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. इवन माई मदर, शी ऑल्सो प्ले म्यूजिक इन एवरीडे, लाइक काइंड ऑफ भजन्स, बिकॉज वो उनको अच्छा लगता है. अब हमारा टेस्ट अलग है, सबका टेस्ट अलग है, जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन देम. सो यस, म्यूजिक इज इम्पोर्टेंट. नहीं तो उससे आपकी ना जिंदगी में आपको लगेगा ही नहीं, देयर इज नो वाइब फॉर यू, यू विल फील नथिंग.
ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया कि सबका टेस्ट म्यूजिक का अलग है. आपने वो मेंशन किया भजन, आई कैन से स्पिरिचुअल म्यूजिक, राइट? सो उसी के बेसिस पे आई वांट टू आस्क यू मिस दीप्ति, लाइक टू इन टुडेज जनरेशन, इन टुडेज टाइम, लाइक स्पिरिचुअल म्यूजिक इज ऑल्सो चेंज्ड. लाइक जैसा स्पिरिचुअल म्यूजिक पहले होते थे, लाइक स्पेशली वो ट्रेडिशनल भजन, उनको भी आज जो जैसे भी जो प्रोड्यूसर्स होते हैं एक न्यू जेनरे के हिसाब से प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. जैसे आपने कभी तांडव स्तोत्रम सुना होगा, रावण स्तोत्रम, शिव स्तोत्रम सॉरी सुना होगा, ठीक है? उसके भी कई सारे वर्जन्स आपको रील्स पे भी मिलेंगे और यूट्यूब पे भी मिलेंगे. इन द सेम वे बहुत सारे श्लोक और मंत्र के भी नए वर्जन, आई मीन आज के टाइम के म्यूजिक के साथ के वो वर्जन होते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट स्पिरिचुअल म्यूजिक इज इन योर लाइफ?
I think for me spiritual music, yeah definitely, हमें spiritual music को भी सुनना चाहिए, because spiritual music क्या है कि ये हमें हमारे भगवान से भी जोड़ के रखता है, जिसके ऊपर हमारी आस्था है, जिसके हमारे ऊपर हमारे बिलीव्स हैं. ये नहीं कि हमें हमेशा ये ऐसी गाने सुनने चाहिए, स्लो रोमांटिक पार्टी टाइप, नॉट लाइक दिस ऑलवेज. इवन मेरी मॉम, whenever she says थोड़े बहुत तो स्पिरिचुअल गाने भी सुन लिया करो शाम को, तो मैं कहती हूँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. तो हाँ, मैं प्ले करती हूँ, ऐसी बात नहीं है कि मैं नहीं प्ले करती हूँ, लेकिन हाँ हमें स्पिरिचुअल गाने भी सुनने चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे ये है कि हम अपने जो भगवान है जिनके ऊपर हमारा बिलीव है, हम उनसे भी जुड़े रहते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि अगर हम नहीं सुनेंगे तो ऐसा भी होता है काइंड ऑफ कि ना हम अपने कल्चर के बारे में ना कहीं से जान नहीं पाते. बिकॉज फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, हमने रामायण देखी है, महाभारत देखी है, उसमें भी कितने सारे उन्होंने गाने ऐड कर रखे हैं जो कि स्पिरिचुअल काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक ही है, जो कि लाइक अगर हम कहें उनको हम देखते हुए बड़े हुए हैं, तो वो गाने ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में बसे हुए हैं. अगर आज भी कोई गाएगा तो हम भी बोलते बोलते चल देंगे कि हाँ हमें भी आता है वो गाना. So I think yes, spiritual music be also important. We should not replace spiritual music from our life because it's important for us. ये हमें हमारी लाइक आस्था से तो हमें जोड़ के रखता है, हमें हमारे कल्चर से भी जोड़ के रखता है. So yes, spiritual music is also important for us.
अब जैसे अभी आप जो बोल रहे हो स्पिरिचुअल म्यूजिक और गॉड ईश्वर, जैसे हम जो भी आप बोलते हो, हम जो भी बोलते हैं, सो अगर हम डाइटीज़ की बात करें हमारे रिलीजन में, लाइक हिंदुइज्म रिलीजन में, सो किसी भी आप डाइटी को लेंगे, वेदर फीमेल और मेल, यू कैन सी सबके हाथ में एक ना एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है.
Thank you so much for having me in this session.
For more details, visit www.88studiolko.com.